10 Growing Industries of the Future. By failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Those are the famous words of Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the U.S., and who you might recognize as the portrait on a $100 bill. So in the spirit of preparing for the future, this is a great time to think about the industries set for growth. And I'm just going to be upfront. If you want to guarantee yourself a decent future, you need to start positioning yourself in a stable or emerging industry with a positive outlook for growth and careers. With that in mind, in this video, you'll learn of the 10 growing industries of the future so you can start setting yourself up for success. Let's get started. So what are the 10 growing industries of the future? Time to find out. Number 1. Renewable energy. First of all, what is renewable energy? Well, renewable energy is energy derived from a source that cannot run out, occurs naturally, and can be replenished naturally. Even so, these sources are available for a specific amount of time before they're replenished, so that it's transferred to the renewable energy they generate as well. Some great examples of renewable energy sources include solar, wind, biomass, and hydroelectricity. Other less explored sources include geothermal power, hydrogen, and oceans. As for the projected growth, the Allied Market Research, the global renewable energy market, is expected to reach $1,512.3 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR of 6.1% from 2018 to 2025. Number 2. Information technology. The IT industry employ people who test, assess, and maintain hardware and software associated with sophisticated computer systems. And exactly how is this sector set to grow? Well, according to BLS data, the industry is expected to grow by 12% over the next decade. To ensure you guarantee a decent chance of snagging up work opportunities, consider prepping for roles like IT manager, computer system analyst, cybersecurity expert, and information research scientist. And while certificates can help you a lot, you also need to focus on gaining experience and as much on-the-job training as possible to ensure you succeed in this field. Number 3. Internet of Things, IoT. First of all, what is this? Well, simply put, the Internet of Things describes the network of physical devices fitted with sensors, software, and other technologies to enable the connection and exchange of data with other devices and systems. And just to clarify, these devices aren't the traditional Internet-enabled devices we use, such as smartphones, PCs, and tablets. Examples of these gadgets include kitchen appliances, cars, thermostats, and baby monitors. So as of the posting of this video, there are more than 7 billion connected IoT devices. Experts expect this number to grow to 10 billion by 2020 and 22 billion by 2025, which screams opportunity in the industry. But there's more. According to Grandview Research, the IoT industrial market is projected to grow from 264 billion in 2021 to 1.1 trillion in 2028, and the Internet of Things retail market will grow from 36 billion in 2021 to 182 billion in 2028. Number 4. Artificial intelligence, AI. Ever come across a weirdly specific ad and wondered if someone had just read your mind? That's it. That's AI. See, AI is what powers Facebook, Google, Amazon, and other big companies, enabling them to know what you like so they can target you with the right type of messages. As you interact with these companies via their products, for example Instagram, you leave a trail of data behind that AI picks up and learns from. With time, AI can predict what you might like and put it in front of you. So what's the outlook for this industry? According to Tractica, the global AI market is expected to reach a revenue of $118 billion by 2025. If you want to start learning about AI, you can take online courses on platforms like Udacity, Coursera, and edX. Number 5. Cybersecurity. According to studies, cybercrimes will cost $10.5 trillion annually by 2025, and with the global annual cost of cybercrime estimated to be $6 trillion yearly, you can begin to see why there's a need for cybersecurity professionals. But let's back it up a little bit. Cybersecurity experts work in every kind of company in various industries to protect companies from data breaches and attacks. They come with multiple job roles and designations, including security software developer, security consultant, information security analyst, ethical hacker, computer forensics analyst, chief information security officer, penetration testers to identify system flaws, IT security consultant, security system administrator, and so on. As far as growth statistics, Grandview Research revealed that the global cybersecurity market size was valued at $167.13 billion in 2020. This is forecasted to register a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 10.9% from 2021 to 2028. Number 6. Construction. people will always need spaces to live and work in. So construction is always going to be a viable industry. From landscaping to kitchen remodels to healthcare facilities, construction is poised for significant growth. According to BLS, construction is forecasted to grow 11% over the coming decade. Large-scale urban development projects are painting the landscape for the construction field, as are healthcare facilities and hospitals. So exactly what jobs do you want to look out for? Well, there's the construction superintendent role, which allows you to make over $85,000. Other excellent, well-paying jobs in the construction sector include civil engineer and construction manager. Elsewhere, opportunities in the trades, mason, ironworker, plumber, and electrician earn workers more than $25 an hour. Number 7. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is one of the buzzwords on the internet, as you might have already come across it. But just so we're on the same page, blockchain is a new technology that collects and stores data in blocks connected to each other by a virtual chain. The information in these blocks cannot be changed, and it's decentralized, meaning everyone on the network can access it. Where's blockchain used? Blockchain technology has been adopted in an array of industries, including banking, crypto, healthcare, law, and business operations such as supplies and logistics. As of posting this video, some of the top companies when it comes to blockchain technology include BRB, BitMEX, Netkey, Spring Labs, and Salt Lending. Now let's talk about projected growth. According to Grandview Research, the worldwide blockchain technology market size was valued at $3.67 billion in 2020 and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 82.4% from 2021 to 2028, making it one of the fastest developing industries. Number 8. Robotics. Robots are literally man's helping hand, and that they come in to perform some duties that were preserved for us. And while some robots can work on their own, others must work under the supervision of a human. That's about robots. So let me draw your attention to the word robotics. Simply put, robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science and engineering. It entails designing, construction, operation, and use of robots. And just to add, robotics aims to develop machines that can help you lead a better, more productive life. As an industry, robotics comprises of many engineering fields, including electronics, software engineering, mechatronics, bioengineering, math, and more. So what industries can robotics serve? Well, robotics can be used in various industries, including agriculture, manufacturing, food preparation, mining, military, and even food production. But perhaps the most significant use of robotics is within the car industry, where robots do hazardous tasks like welding and painting. Moreover, robots can be used to move and fit heavy parts during the manufacturing process. As we go into the future, more and more applications of robotics are being developed to improve efficiency across even more sectors. Speaking of the future, a Manomet current study revealed that the global market size of the robotics industry will reach $26.71 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR growth of 4.9% in revenue terms. Number 9. Virtual reality. Let's start with the basics. So virtual reality is essentially a computer-simulated three-dimensional environment that you can access via special goggles with sensors. This simulated environment looks and feels like the real deal. Virtual reality, also known by its abbreviation VR, is very useful, especially in cases where real-life experiments can be too dangerous or costly, as they can be substituted by creating a lifelike situation thanks to VR. Currently, some of the industries where VR is used include entertainment, recruitment, car manufacturing, healthcare, training and development. It's also used in retail, architecture, real estate, education, marketing, recreation, gambling, sports, art and design, law enforcement, news, journalism, etc. According to Grandview Research, the global virtual reality market size was valued at $15.81 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow by a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 18% from 2021 to 2028. Number 10. Data science. There's more data out there than there's ever been. Every day, organizations across the world generate huge volumes of data in text, audio, video, digits, image, and other forms. This data is what we call big data, and it can't be efficiently processed with regular software. Yes, this massive data calls for thorough, critical, and timely analysis by sophisticated, dedicated software so as to offer insights that help companies make the soundest decisions. For this reason, data science has since emerged as a top industry and is expected to continue growing rapidly in the future. As the name suggests, at the bare minimum, data science requires statistics, math, and computer skills. But I must add that visualization skills are also important for success in this industry. So if you're keen on setting yourself up for a successful career in the future, data science is definitely worth giving a shot. Now, what's your favorite growing industry of the future? What other growing industries of the future do you know? Let me know in the comment section below. Like the video while you're at it, and share it widely with anyone who will enjoy it. Remember to subscribe too, and turn on notifications to know when I upload a new video. You've been fantastic. Bye.